Alright, team, let's have a look at how to register in Crypto Fortune. First of all, go to the message that was sent to you, copy the link. I'm going to copy the link now. So my wallet is already set up. Right, I'm not going to explain that again. There is videos on how to set up your wallet using SafePal, and SafePal only for our team. It's the most user-friendly one. So you have set up your SafePal wallet, you've loaded enough BNB to make a registration, and you have loaded the USDT. In this case, we're going to invest or start with $20. So we're going to press on Explore, and then you will tap on the search bar at the top. Right? Then it will move again. Then you will tap again on the top search bar. You will paste the link there. Make sure that it is the correct number, the referral number that you have copied. So you just check it with WhatsApp. It's ending with 500-843, and we have here 500-843. Next thing you must make sure of, very important, BNB chain is the network. The default is always Ethereum, but that will not make you or take you to the website and the register, so we're going to cancel it. Make sure you choose BNB chain. Alright, so that is very important. And then you can press sign, confirm, and here once again make 100% sure this number is correct. It has happened with sometimes probably network issues that it defaults back to the company referral number. So make sure 100% that you compare this number. If it is wrong, just stop and start again, and make sure that you do copy that number and continue until it takes the correct number, and you proceed there. Press on register and confirm again. And then you just leave it for a little while. It will register. And there is registration is successful. Right. Now, some members think that they are registered now, but they haven't deposited the money now. So now you scroll up, your money, your USDT is already in the SafePal wallet. Now you scroll up until you get to deposit. See, your referral link is not active yet. You're going to press on deposit. There is your USDT in your wallet, corresponds with what is in your wallet. Take note that you can only invest dollar amounts, round dollars, in multiples of minimum 10 and multiple of $1, which is explained for you right there as well. Right, so we do not recommend people come in with $10, although that is the minimum. For you to receive referral commission, you must start with, we invest $20 yourself. So we're going to put in 20. You don't add the cents, only 20. It's fine. Make sure you have BNB as gas fees, and you're going to make 2 approvals. Now, first of all, you're going to approve the USDT, and then you're going to deposit. Alright, so first of all, it's going to approve this transaction. Just give it some time, and you will get the message again, USDT approval. Then you will get this message, and many members are asking about this. I don't know what is considered high gas fees, because you pay about 10 US dollar cents, and it's explained and shown here. Today that shows now 16, but it's never that high. It's really very low fees. Alright, and you're going to confirm it again. And you're just going to wait until you get the message. Deposit successful. There you go. And now you will see your link is available, it's active. So if you do want to refer other people and help them to become financially free, You're just going to copy it there and it will say copied. Then you can send and share your link with other people as well. Right, so that is it. Your active cycles deposit is here. Your return on investment will appear here after 24 hours for the next 30 days. Your cycles is at the bottom. This is the cycle, so this will update when you claim your first ROI. So what we suggest is you leave your ROI until it gets to $5, and then you claim it, because you pay about 5 cents for each ROI claim. And ROI does not stand for return on investment, it's rewards on investment, because we're getting rewarded for participating in the Crypto Fortune smart contract platform. Right, thank you. Please reach out to the person that introduced you for any other questions or assistance. Bye bye.